Welcome everyone to another LTE live stream because Vodafone failing DOCSIS cable, business cable, Germany obviously not delivering too many frames to you today. So failing O2 LTE, actually less failing for you. Today we have some updates to do, regular theme here, news in the open source world. Today LLVM here. And of course we want to update this anyway. And so let's quickly do this. Of course, compiling this also, a release schedule. But it is on the GitHub side there. So let's grab 11.0 something and quickly iterate over config default packages. Sorry, and that would be, obviously that is way more than I wanted. So starting with 11, grabbing the little bit stuff in the middle. Actually, you know what, we can even grab for that. And that probably is all. I grab this because I don't want to manually copy and paste. That certainly is faster. So while read some stuff, more stuff, even more stuff, something, package, and the rest do updates. That would be package to 11.01. I only hope that is so final because it's already on GitHub that not that they update this behind our back. That is always a little bit annoying. Probably some Unicode thing there. So yeah, that looks good. You know what this does this come over? Might grab this over LTE now. I need to set up here a more professional. Also somehow does not update the most, LLVM org. Why is that not downloading? LLVM org download release. Nah. What happened there? Don't tell me they removed this while I was looking at it. But yeah, modern projects every other release some strange stuff. I think we also have some other stuff to do. Also, obviously, this takes a while to compile. Source tar x set. What did we? Source tar so LVM. Also, by the way, someday we probably need to package flang or something. Let's see what is here. The URL LVM 11.01. 11.01 somehow on first glance, unless we have here some really stupid Unicode stuff. Why is always some crap happening live on YouTube? We also have Dovecot or Dovecot, the one of the most popular IMAP. Also, that is obviously. Wait a second. What did I even copy here? Clang. So what is there? Release download. How can this be? Copy link. What did we got there? LVM project release download. LVM org 11.01. Clang 11.01 source tar x set. What bad request? Why does it return bad request? Slightly curious, but maybe there is some. Yeah, you know what? There is some Unicode shit going on. Recurring theme here. This is somewhat hilarious. Where would that be now? Yeah, here is that already deleted. Strange. Who thought it was a good idea to? Nah, annoying. I need to find this out. This is actually one of the biggest time-wasting things. Actually, in the meantime, SVN div package develop pdesk. I hope they're only double checking here whether Yeah, there is some C3, thank you very much, S7. Or maybe we can fix this somehow. 1101. Ah, this does something. It's hilarious. I suspect I'm running on a POSIX C because keeping it stupid simple manual. That would be locale, and yeah, this POSIX C thing. I actually this probably could be part of the system. However, I think I probably need to obviously need to restart the whole Tmax thing, which by the way maybe we simply do, because otherwise this is... Anyway, leave in the comments below if you also have such kind of challenges. We will just I need to test whether just running within proper UTF-8 locale fixes this. Anyway, I got word that there is some IMAP server thing. Also, let's use the T2. This is Dovecot security thing. So this might be slightly updated. Also, yeah, why do I do this here? Having here some open source chat here live on YouTube, and I eventually need to do this stuff anyway. So that we have best performance, best everything, one of the few left. I clicked here, so this is by the way 2.3, which did say 2.3.13, old stable, 2.3 something. Is this also CVE? No, this is apparently very old, 2.19. This is latest URL, okay, so this is stable, okay, so this explains a thing, so we didn't previously Dovecot odd stable, so yeah, this needs for data previous video or update board check version flags odd stable, and so that would be source update, and this would be something like odd, so internally need to modernize this also someday. Actually, you know what, this is actually coming down there. So yeah, this is the only thing that probably prevented this automated updates was that the recurring theme here, good old traditions, odd minor version was once upon a time test development series, but yeah, apparently not anymore. Let's quickly build that. So it would be build package or something of that sort, LLVM. You can also time that just for the fun of it, just time a little bit test compiling. Oh, wait a second, we wanted to actually have a new Tmax to see whether this fixes here some. I actually still don't know. I should have actually, but you know what, SZ is not, why are my German umlauts here not EN? Oh, wait a second, I typed this wrong. Good that we tested that. That for sure looks way better, right? Tmax, so let's time that. Let's watch all this fun stuff and test build Dovecot, because otherwise our epic thread ripping AMD Ryzen is too bored. Slightly wondering that our data is still working, but so be it. So this is already, I wonder, maybe we can also, I mean the cores are awful busy. We can wait this shortly because we also have Kling and certainly testing, more testing, and for you to update. Very theoretically, we should test whether Rust then still works, and Mesa also. Mesa probably. I mean, it's a minor update, but you never know. I slightly wonder, theoretically we could peek into there and see also what is Dovecot doing now. This is some, what does it want? Yeah, we take a look at that in a second. But we could quickly, or do we still have this, or maybe here? Well, they have not yet written apparently the changelog, but compare, so we could either manually compare that with 11.0, that probably, wonder how good is Git, how fast is GitHub. Actually I was expecting a unified diff, but this is actually more usable, to be honest. I was actually wondering what, so 47 contributors, quite some, so what have they done? GitHub action definition, constant folding, fix, deck, load optimization, F don't crash, don't crash is always good. Add release tables was libc1c, x86 CPU name typo, this is interesting. What did they type there wrong? Tremor or kernel of, what are they, what, how is this a typo? Are you freaking kidding me? So Knight's Landing, Knight's Mill, Xeon Phi, okay, fine, it's a typo. Let's see, what else do we have here? Fixed build, and also this is just to show this is live of a computer scientist and IT department, like actually also what I encourage more people to do, actually take a look at changes and so on. Clang, how many changes more do we have? Commit C of PR setting, delete the close bit, something, G, look through. Is this, by the way, all or ARch64 zero links arrange? Anyway, I cannot stress enough, more people should actually do a review and actually take a look at things. Which, speaking of which, Dovi, so this is building, 64%, obviously, nicely heating the office. And the ISA, by the way, did I probably build with tempfs? Yeah. Also best with mirror D. I wonder if this can be disabled. No. Build with, yes, no plugin. So let's see if we can configure this, because in my opinion it's always nice if people don't want this. We actually also, yeah, in previous times, once upon a time, this configure stuff was. Actually, we have this. Oh, wait, we have here. Oh, do we have? Actually, we have this build. It is interesting. This just doesn't find it. Dovecot in. Can't build ADAP support. LDAP. Oh, wait a second. Maybe this is another. Is this? Lib. What? Libbear? What? Lib. Oh no, libl. Oh, this is lib LDAP. R and Y is here no. Don't tell me this is no. What is here? This? Let's try that again. Also, honestly, while at it, let's shorten that. That is not my preferred. I actually prefer to write much shorter. Let's try that again without. Don't need that today. It's mostly for the security stuff for people who might run cloud services based on T2, obviously, and friends, family, customers. Cheers. Of course, I should probably get used to building stuff verbose, so that that looks more interesting. I have one more thing to do. I read on some news site. So yeah, how much? Obviously, when you're wondering why do I do this funny YouTube business, basically just keeping up this open source, basically a full-time job, obviously, or full-time and night job. I read here somewhere that AMD was not so super nice in the open source landscape, and that is Sam. Hello, Sam. AMD. Did they take this news down? Or, oh no, here maybe. Now officially supports. So yeah, this doesn't look so nice. Where is the change log? So it looks like you need to enable SAM if you want that on anything not Ryzen 3, which is not super nice. That's original work with the news code stuff today for. Otherwise will now be disabled due to many people experiencing performance degradation on some systems. Is this, this Dovecot is also still building, finished, yeah, 6 minutes, certainly slightly nicer. Also, yeah, how much more CPU time, it's like, yeah, 100. By the way, for the fun, how much CPU score, but maybe this is quite linear. 141 minutes, it's actually nearly 100, yeah, okay, fine. 142, 7. Yeah, it's not like 32 times scaling, but pretty busy. Also, on the other hand, we were also using some CPU cycles here for Dovecot. Okay, that works. Then let's be super nice and professional and document the hello. Document the CVEs. That would be what is this here? Release 0.5 of what? Pigeonhole? What? Okay, whatever. Probably something we need to package some other day. So this is at least that CVE. Do we also have more? But also, yes, regular thing. C programming. We got this. Actually, I had 2020, or is that the same? It's apparently the same. So much to that. So yeah, if you're running that, you probably want to update that for obvious reasons. But yeah, from the, I guess it is pure C. We probably can fact check that. And do we still have this extracted? We have. So source, I would, yeah, see from the department, write everything in C. We got this. Maybe not. Looks like mostly C. Actually, you know what? Let's do a funny thing. Let's see what files not .ch are there, just to get an overview and always improved Unicode goodness. Okay, make file in AM. Do we have anything other than that? There was some text and Perl, and yeah, that's it, just in case you were wondering how to get a quick overview and why we should probably not write everything in C anymore. Yeah, Clang, that is it. Clang, we have a custom patch for naked function and non-inline, like non-pure inline assembly naked function, mostly for our proof of concept DOS fun of previous videos for interrupt service routines there. It's unsupported, and we patch it in, and we are lucky, and fingers and thumbs crossed it just works, thankfully. So yeah, I guess that will probably work. And recurring theme, a good test of if your mem test works, then you might still compile LLVM Clang, and if that errors out, then you probably have some memory corruption and instability. So Dovecot we've done. For this, I was wondering whether to revert that. Is in place for SAM3 newer, or otherwise this function will not be disabled. Do we also have a patch for that? No, officially Mesa 21. Which Mesa do we even have here? I guess it's just Git, but, oh no, 21, but that is probably not released, is it? Mesa or Mesa 3D. What is the time? I have a, here's my phone. Ah, didn't miss the conference call yet. So yeah, conference call soon. So let's see if that is something that is released. 23 to December 30th. Are we at this version already? Oh no, somehow why did we miss that? Somehow we missed there some. Why is here not more information somehow? Crash, FreeCAD and whatnot. Yeah, good that we checked. I should, however, check why we... So, let's commit this. Do we have that in? We have that. Let's quickly... Because I need to resort a little bit of scripting here, because otherwise I have here lots of uncommitted changes. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Field 5. But even some 100 working copy changes. Let's see, nothing. Oh wait, we need to be a little bit careful. What is that here? You see changes, WebAssembly. Host 4, keep in sync with Rust. Did I not commit this yet? Right, because Rust needs a native version always. This is not perfect though, because for some architectures this will not work. Like there is no native Hewlett-Packard Precision architecture, probably some others, Super H and whatnot, maybe even RISC. I think RISC 5 is not upstream. Build, what is it, LLVM, what do we even have there? Targets, host arch in, probably this is slightly duplicate of adding here then host and ARM, but didn't have to build arrow. So yeah, theoretically we should conditionalize this to not Hewlett-Packard and HPP API RISC, but build always build with support for bootstrapping. That probably should do it. And recurring theme, we are professionals here. I don't usually commit stuff mixed with other stuff. Sometimes it happens, like here's already some change in, but yeah, I just commit this now. This is not super, this is super nice, but there's also a limit of doing that. So I just, here's also some other stuff. What is it? No defaults of, what is it even, libc xx. Yeah, probably. This was a little bit. Yeah, the sad thing is I hacked this to somewhat work. Super complex, took me multiple days last year, previous live streams, and now they changed to some mono build, whatever thing they call it, building this all together. That is super annoying and does not fit into our... I mean, it previously worked somewhat. We hacked it to work, and this is libc xx. Let's maybe we just commit this individually. just so that this is commenting that out and that in, I don't know, even maybe not just, probably did this for a reason, not the super most important. The next time, again, due to the nature of this mono build changes, it needs a complete overhaul anyway. But yeah, recurring theme, you spend a week of getting the stuff to work and then people break it again. Super disappointing. So yeah. Oh, wait a second. Now I reviewed it so much and somehow this slipped through the cracks, but that's what it is now. Can't. Probably a similar change of, maybe I should have star, oops, whatever. How did I overlook this? Whatever. Super rare stuff, no, whatever. Not nice, but that's what it is. So why did this not, maybe this needs Mesa, either this, you know what, data is not, this is also odd stable. You know what, maybe we even, as we want to really automate the heck out of this and have data AI built as much as possible, maybe we need another flag, because I'm not even sure if this Mesa is stable. Bug fix, because at least the 0 is considered. I think developers think bug fix release found. Maybe we should mark stuff as no.0 version. Actually, we could apply that also to the Linux kernel, that actually, because yeah, the more it works with automation, the more time I have for really amazing stuff. You see, this is a new development, release not so. Here they write this, but I'm not entirely sure if 23 is it also development or what stable, and let's see, source update. Does it work? Oh, so it works. Amazing. So then let's pity just build new release ISOs, but we obviously can wait another day. Yeah, 0 drop frames, by the way. Thanks to people always say IFC is the shabiest, crappiest O2 garbage mobile stuff, but 0 drop frames, yeah, only to Mbit, but because I can't waste all my mobile business office, home office bandwidth with anyway, yeah, 2020 shared coax cable of failing Vodafone DOCSIS cable garbage stuff here in the center of Berlin, in the capital of Germany. That is Berlin. It's like, yeah, coax cable, more failing garbage infrastructure there at Vodafone than the shared medium in the air, through the air, that is otherwise not particularly praised O2. But anyway, that's what it is. Cheers. Need to set up some dynamic channel bonding and wire guarding that over data center and transparent routing of VIP packages sometime soon. So yeah, that is building, which version actually we had here already. Did we commit all the other rest, by the way? Or how much leftover stuff is here even of 105 changes? Probably should go through that sometime soon. We built, yeah, epic thread ripping AMD Ryzen. What should I say? Can recommend, and maybe AMD wants to send some samples our way. So yeah, that's it for today, at least for random Linux work. If you want the latest and greatest, you know where you get that for your Octane, your PS3, or just your regular old-fashioned x86, that is AMD 64. For playing along at home, latest and greatest source and rolling distribution. I hope you learned something and know what to update, and hope to see you soon.